Hi viewers, welcome back in my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope viewers will be fine. You will see the stylish, most beautiful latest designs items on my channel, plus album latest designs ideas. How much beautiful and stylish, best patterns and unique new best designs items on my channel. You will see the stylish, latest unique new modern, outstanding and unique new all best patterns in 2010 unique new all best items on my channel. 2020 unique new or modern and outstanding and unique new best Christians and unique new best dresses designs professional women dress designs items shift and sheet dress designs items on my channel. Creative and unique new all modern and attractive outstanding and unique new all more than hundreds of new designs hundreds of new designs items on my channel. You will see the stylish, latest and unique new all modern and outstanding and unique new all best items and best collections. You will see the stylish, beautiful and attractive, outstanding and unique new best items on my channel. 2020 and unique new modern and outstanding and unique new all best patterns and best ideas. Creative and attractive, unique new best professionals movement dresses, working wear plus all movement dress designs ideas. Shift and shades designs items on my channel. 2020 unique new all collections and most beautiful unique new all best patterns in 2020 unique new upcoming and stylish best videos and how much beautiful unique new all best album and dressy designs shift and sheet dressy designs ideas beautiful and attractive outstanding and unique new all best videos and you will see the stylish creative and unique new all modern and attractive unique new best dresses designs lacy shade mermaid style extra plus size women dresses designs items on my channel. 2020 and unique new modern and outstanding and unique new all best patterns and you will see the stylish creative and unique new all best ideas and let's see she shift and shades designs items on my channel. Creative and unique new all modern and attractive outstanding and unique new best dresses designs let's see professionals women dresses designs items on my channel. So thank you so much guys for watching my all videos and you will never miss any video on collections. You will see the stylish latest and unique new all 2020 most beautiful unique new upcoming and stylish best designs ideas and latest and unique new modern and outstanding and unique new